Hi. Say hi. Okay, so today we're gonna be buying the precious magic horse, and I realized my store coins. I have 666. I'm gonna die today. Illuminati confirmed. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I said Illuminati. Illuminati who? Oh my gosh. Okay, so uh, what's the coolest looking one? I'm never gonna know what any of these.
Spider to come to life and just start walking on my hand.
That was weird to say, but this is the name that I chose. It's a very boring and long name. Oh my god, I'm so afraid to press OK. Okay, I'm gonna stop cheering myself on then.
Shut Joe. I saw. Oh my god, I'm falling.
I did it. I just bought a horsey. Okay, I can't. I think it says your horse is at your stable. I can't read that. I'm gonna call for pickup. That's re-entering. This is backing out. I have to read in freaking Russia. Do you know how hard that is? Someone could. I don't even know the difference between club. Let's figure this out. I think that says go.
Someone invited you like to a club and you thought it was a friend invite and you're like, yeah, sure.
And it was like, you have a hand of it. I can't even read this. It's your sister. Okay, we're gonna go get the new sister of the family. Even though.
I'm gonna go put this spider on my mom's head.
Drum roll, please. You're supposed to give me a drum roll. Where is he? Oh my god, he's so precious. He's so precious. He's what? No, not I. No. He's so precious. Let me just get all this tack off. It's our sister. I'm gonna put this on because I can and I want to.
Where is
He just appeared. Oh my god. Oh my god. He is precious. You're not freaking precious. Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious. Yes. I can't believe I'm actually physically writing him. I'm so freaking happy. Why? Ella, where are you?
So sour.
Emma, where are you? Where are you?
Here.
Where's here? I'm not even paying attention. Hi.
It's so sour. It burns.
Well, hi. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video of me buying this horse. It was only 3 minutes long. Wow, I am so lame. Give yourself a high five if you're lame. Yeah. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Give yourself a high five if you're lame. Bye. Bye.